Start your day with a savory breakfast burger with bacon and avocado. Finely chopped chives. And mix into the cream cheese. Heat a frying pan without oil or butter and fry the bacon in batches. Drain the bacon on paper towels. And fry the eggs in the leftover bacon grease. Half the avocado. And remove the pit. Scoop the flesh from the peel and cut into slices. Heat your grill pan. Cut the rolls in half and grill cut side down for 2 minutes. Spread the chive mixture onto the bottom half of the buns. Top with arugula salad mix, bacon, avocado, egg, and alfalfa sprouts. Sprinkle with black pepper. Put the top of the bun on the sandwich. And there you have it, simple, fresh, and savory. Enjoy your breakfast burger with bacon and avocado.